video is going to be about the shoulder catch to outside underarm spin, all for the lady. We just got to get out of the way, guys. And we're going to show her, we're going to show you how to do this in 4 different angles, okay? So let's go ahead and get started with this. 2-hand hold position, all right, from this angle. And 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, pretty cool, huh? So let's take it from this angle. All right, let's back it just a tad. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3. Nice. Now, when you're doing this, you can also go into from a closed position. We're going to show you that as well. Let's go toward the camera on this one. All right, let's kind of come this way. And 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3. Nicely done. Okay, let's take it from this angle. Closed position. All right, ready? Let's kind of move this way. And 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3. So you can see from closed and open, it does the same thing, just one gives you a little bit more room. Cool? It's a really cool pattern to have. And notice on this one, you break it on 1, not count 2, but you're actually going to finish and stay on rhythm. Okay? So for more information on why, go to your proper lesson style videos. Or how, exactly. And go to your proper lesson style videos, it'll tell you all that you need to know. And also for the spins, you notice Monica was doing a spin out of that. So ladies, guys too. Yes, spin turn videos, great one to have. So, go practice, breathe, smile, have fun. Okay? Talk to you later.